Hi friends, welcome back to PNC Exclusive Maths. Today I am going to continue the part 5 explanation of pair of linear equations in two variables. I hope you understood my previous topics. It is continuation of that some important problems in 4.3 exercise. Let's start. First problem. Solve the pair of equations 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equals to 2 and 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equals to 1 by reducing them into a pair of linear equations. Now let's start solution. Given equations 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equals to 2 and 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equals to 1. We observe the given pair of equations. They are not in linear form, linear equation. We have 5 of 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 of 1 by y minus 2 is equals to 2 and 6 of x minus 1 minus 3 of 1 by y minus 2 is equals to 1. Put 1 by x minus 1 is equals to a and 1 by y minus 2 is equals to b. Then the equations, then the given equations reduce to 5a plus b is equals to 2, equation 1. 6a minus 3b is equals to 1. We eliminate b from equation 1 and equation 2. We multiply equation 1 by 3. So, equation 1 into 3, it implies 3 into 5a plus b is equals to 2. Therefore, 5 3 is a 15a plus 3b is equals to 2, equation 3. Now, adding equation 1 and equation 2 and equation 3, we get 6a minus 3b is equals to 1, 15a plus 3b is equals to 6, minus 3b plus 3b here get cancelled, 15a plus 6a is equals to 21a is equals to 6 plus 1, 7. 7 ones are 7 threes are. It implies 3a is equals to 1. Therefore, a is equals to 1 by 3. Substitute a value in equation 2. We get 6 into 1 by 3 minus 3b is equals to 1. 3 ones are 3 twos are. It implies 2 minus 3b is equals to 1. It is equals to, here 2 is transposing to RHS, minus 3b is equals to 1 minus 2. it implies minus 3b is equals to minus 1. On both sides, minus minus gets cancelled. 3b is equals to 1. Therefore, b is equals to 1 by 3. But 1 by x minus 1 is equals to a. It implies 1 by x minus 1 is equals to 1 by 3. By cross multiplication, x minus 1 is equals to 3. It implies x is equals to 3 plus 1. Minus 1 transpose to that side. Minus 1 becomes plus 1. Therefore, x is equals to 4. Similarly, 1 by y minus 2 is equals to b. It implies 1 by y minus 2 is equals to 1 by 3. Cross multiplication, y minus 2 is equals to 3. Minus 2 transposing to that side. 3 plus 2. Minus 2 will become plus 2. Therefore, y is equals to 5. Hence, the required solution of given equations is x comma y is equals to 4 comma 5. Move on to next problem. 6x plus 3y is equals to 6xy and 2x plus 4y is equals to xy. Now start the solution. Given equations, six x plus 3y is equals to 6xy and 2x plus 4y is equals to 5. Now we observe the given pair of equations. They are not linear equations. We have 6x plus 3y is equals to 6xy. It implies 6x plus 3y. This xy transpose into LHS. It is equals to 6. So 6x by separating the denominator is separating to the numerator. 6x by xy, 3y by xy is equals to 6. Here in the first term, x gets cancelled. In second term, y gets cancelled. That is equals to 3 by x plus 6 by y is equals to 6. Therefore, 3 into 1 by x plus 6 into 1 by y is equals to 6. Similarly, 2x plus 4y is equals to 5xy. It implies 2x plus 4y by 5xy xy is equals to 5. It implies 2x by xy plus 4y by xy is equals to 5. Here first term xx gets cancelled, second term y gets cancelled. Therefore, 4 into 1 by x plus 2 into 1 by y is equals to 5. Put 1 by x is equals to a and 1 by y is equals to b. Then the given equations reduce to 3a plus 6b is equals to 6, equation 1, and 4a plus 2b is equals to 5, equation 2. From these two equations, we eliminate a value. Now we multiply equation 1 into 4. That implies 4 into 3a plus 6b is equals to 6. Therefore, 12a plus 24b is equals to 24, equation 3. Similarly, equation 2 multiply by 3, it implies 3 into 4a plus 2b is equals to 5. Therefore, 12a plus 6b is equals to 15, equation 4. Now, subtract equation 4 from equation 3. We get 12a plus 24b is equals to 24. 12a plus 6b is equals to 15. So here minus minus minus, here plus 12a minus 12a gets cancelled. 24 minus 6, 18b, 24 minus 15, 9. Here 9 ones are, 9 twos are. Therefore, b is equals to 1 by 2. Substitute b value in equation 1. It implies 3a plus 6 into 1 by 2 is equals to 6. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. It implies 3a plus 3 is equals to 3, 6. It implies plus 3 transposing to that side, plus 3 becomes minus 3, 6 minus 3. It implies 3a is equals to 3. 3 gets cancelled. A is equals to 1. But 1 by x is equals to a, that is 1 by x is equals to 1. Therefore, x is equals to 1. Similarly, 1 by y is equals to b, that is 1 by y is equals to 1 by 2. Therefore, y is equals to 2. Therefore, hence the required solution of given equations is x comma y is equals to 1 comma 2. Friends, let's move on to some word problems. A boat goes 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. And in 13 hours, it can go 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream. Then determine the speed of the stream and that of the boat in still water. Let's move on to solution. Let the speed of the boat in still water be x kilometer per hour, and the speed of the stream be y kilometer per hour. Then speed in downstream is equals to x plus 5, and speed in upstream is equals to x minus y. We know that time is equals to distance by speed. By problem, first distance 30 kilometer and 44 kilometer. 30 kilometers upstream, 44 kilometer downstream. 30 by x minus y plus 44 by x plus y is equals to 10 hours. Similarly, in 13 hours, 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream is equals to 13 hours. Put 1 by x minus y is equals to a and 1 by x plus y is equals to b. Then the above equations reduce to 30a plus 44b is equals to 10, equation 1, and 40a plus 55b is equals to 13, equation 2. Now we eliminate a value from these two equations. We multiply equation 1 into 4. It implies 4 into 30a plus 44b is equals to 10. Therefore 120a plus 4 into 44, 4 4 the 16, 4 4 the 16 plus 1 17, 176b is equals to 40, equation 3, and equation 2 multiply by 3, it implies 3 into 40a plus 55b is equals to 13. Therefore 120a plus 3 5 is 15, 3 5 is 15 plus 1 16, 165b is equals to 13 3 is 39, equation 4. Now subtract equation 4 from equation 3. We get 120a plus 176b is equals to 40. 120a plus 165b is equals to 39. So minus here, plus 120a minus 120a will get cancelled. 176 minus 165, 11b is equals to 1. Therefore b is equals to 1 by 11. Substitute b value in equation 1. It implies 30a plus 44 into 1 by 11 is equals to 10. It implies 30a, 11 ones are 11 fours are, plus 4 is equals to 10. 30a is equals to 10 minus 4. 30a is equals to 6. 6 ones are 6 fives are. Therefore a is equals to 1 by 5. But 1 by x minus y is equals to a. It implies 1 by x minus y is equals to 1 by y. By cross multiplication, x minus y is equals to 5. Similarly, 1 by x plus y is equals to b. 1 by x plus y is equals to 1 by 11. Therefore, x plus y is equals to 11. This is equation 5. This is equation 6. Now adding equation 5 and equation 6, x minus y is equals to 5, x plus y is equals to 11. It implies plus y minus y gets cancelled. 2x is equals to 16. 2 1s are 2 8s are. Therefore, x is equals to 8 and put x value in equation 5. It implies 8 minus y is equals to 5. It implies minus y is equals to 5 minus 8. Minus y is equals to minus 3. On both sides minus minus get cancelled. Y is equals to 3. Therefore the solution x comma y is equals to 8 comma 3. Hence speed of the boat still in water, x is equals to 8 km per hour, and the speed of the stream y is equals to 3 km per hour. Move to another word problem. 2 women and 5 men can together finish a embroidery work in 4 days. 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone and 1 man alone to finish the work. Let's start the solution. Let the time taken by 1 woman to complete the work be x days, and time taken by 1 man to complete the work be y days. Therefore, work done by 1 woman in 1 day, that is equals to 1 by x. Similarly, work done by 1 man in 1 day is equals to 1 by y. By problem 2 by x plus 5 by y is equals to 1 by 4, and 3 by x plus 6 by y is equals to 1 by 3. Put 1 by x is equals to a and 1 by y is equals to b, then the above equations reduce to 2a plus 5b is equals to 1 by 4. It implies 4 2s are 8a plus 4 5s are 20b is equals to 1. Equation 1. Similarly, 3a plus 6b is equals to 1 by 3. It implies 3 3s are 9a plus 6 3s are 18b is equals to 1. Equation 2. Now we eliminate a value from these two equations. We multiply equation 1 into 9. It implies 9 into 8a plus 20b is equals to 1. Therefore, 72a plus 180b is equals to 9. Equation 3. Equation 2 multiply by 8. It implies 8 into 9a plus 18b is equals to 1. Therefore, 8 9s are 72a plus 18 8s are 144b is equals to 8. Equation 4. Now, subtract equation 4 from equation 3. We get 72a plus 180b is equals to 9. 72a plus 144b is equals to 8. So minus minus minus. Here plus 72a minus 72a will get cancelled. 180 minus 144, that is 36b is equals to 1. Therefore, b is equals to 1 by 36. Put b value in equation 2. Put b value in equation 2. 9a plus 18 into 1 by 36 is equals to 1. It implies 9a, 18 ones are 18 twos are, plus 1 by 2 is equals to 1. It implies 9a is equals to 1 minus 1 by 2. It implies 9a is equals to 1 by 2. Therefore, a is equals to 1 by 9 twos are 18. But 1 by x is equals to a. Therefore, 1 by x is equals to 1 by 18. X is equals to 18. And 1 by y is equals to b. It implies 1 by y is equals to 1 by 36. Therefore, y is equals to 36. Hence, time taken by one woman is equals to, that is x is equals to 18 days, one man, that is y is equals to 36 days. Friends, thank you for watching this video. I hope you got awareness on this 4.3 exercise and you may eagerly waiting for my next video on some important problems based on competitive exams on this same topic. So friends, please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.